I don't dispute there.
No, there's no dispute. But this matter, we are responding to an invitation to come here. I invited the Lord Mayor 3 times to address ourselves to this letter. I have his mobile phone SMSs saying I'm in Kabale. Yesterday when we sat again, he was in Machindie. I have begged him to sit. The Lord Mayor told me openly before in Entebbe, I will never come to your office. So, how are we supposed to respond to this? How are we supposed? I invited him because the letter was addressed to me, Mr. Chairman. The letter was addressed to the minister. I did what I'm supposed to do. I invited the Lord Mayor 3 times to discuss this letter so that we come here. I invited KCCA. The Lord Mayor told me that he's unable to attend the meeting. So, if what the Lord Mayor is correct, what he should have done, he should have come to the meeting and raised this matter, and I would have written to you to say, give us time for the authority to do ABCD so that we come to you. That's what should have happened.
Now, I move to make another